Welcome to our channel. If you accidentally deleted a Spotify playlist, you can recover it using the web version of Spotify. Follow these steps to restore your deleted playlists. Step 1. Open a web browser on your computer and go to Spotify.com. Then log in with your Spotify account credentials. Step 2. Click on your profile name in the top right corner. Then select Account from the drop-down menu to access your account settings. Step 3. Scroll down the account page until you find the section labeled Recover Playlist on the left sidebar menu. Step 4. Click on Recover Playlists to view a list of all playlists you've deleted within the last 90 days, including deletion dates. Step 5. Browse through the list of deleted playlists and locate the one you want to restore. Click on the playlist name to see more details. Step 6. Click the Restore button next to the playlist you want to recover. The playlist will be immediately restored to your Spotify library. Step 7. Open the Spotify app on your device and check your playlist library to confirm that the recovered playlist appears with all its songs intact. Step 8. Note that playlists deleted more than 90 days ago cannot be recovered, so act quickly if you want to restore a deleted playlist. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.